And so, the brave little prince found shelter from the storm, just like we are, warm and safe together. To listen to the clouds, tell their own stories. There is nothing to fear. He ruled a kingdom beyond the hills. There he met a princess who was kind to everyone, and they lived happily ever after. The brave prince rode through the misty forest, longing to find the beautiful princess. At last they met under the ancient tree. They created their own beautiful kingdom. Do not be afraid, my children, for love is the strongest magic of all. It can light up the darkest night and keep us safe and warm together. For their love was a beacon in the dark.